After getting this question for more than 5 times, I finally decided to create a video for you. So this is a question that I get very often. So how do I organize my digital products? What does it look like behind the scenes, my templates, the products that are listed, products that are on my website, on Etsy. So this video is going to be organized in 3 sections. First of all, I'm going to show you how I organize my products, all the products that I create, all my templates, and then we're going to go into the Notion templates per se. So we are going to see how I organize them per category. So whenever I need, can easily access this link and answer that customer as soon as I can through my phone, and I don't even need to be at home. And this is one of the reasons why it's super important to be organized. So let's get started. Can you show how you manage and keep your finished products, listed products, and unlisted, etc.? So let's go to my computer and I'll show you how I organize that. So this is how I organize my template ideas, all the templates that I launched, and I'm gonna share with you everything here. So this is a database. I created a database for all my products and offers. And if you want this template, it's inside the Etsy Hub template that I sell on my shop as well. So it's the same system that I use. So basically it's a simple database with all the products. So whenever I have a product idea, I'll come here. There's a product page template. So I'm going to show you that as well. So every time that I start a new product, it gives me all these page template, because I know I'm gonna post them on Etsy. I know I need to post them on my website. I have to do the SEO research, and there's like a product research, quick links, and also there's a checklist. So this is the page template that I created to save me some time whenever I start a new product. And this is what I did with every single product here. One of the properties that I've used here is the status, as you can see, so I can organize them if they are live, if they are unpublished, if they are just like in developing, they are being developed. So you can just use a status property, and here I added a filter, as you can see here, so I can only see the products that are live, because I unlisted a lot of templates that were not getting views, and it was just like over making my shop look too many options. So I decided to just unlist them, and I use them to give for freebies on my newsletter or for my existing customers. These are the templates that I have live, and here I have a table view. I know it's a little bit messy, but it works for me. So here I can see all the products, the price, the listing date, and the status. So as you can see, sometimes they are unlisted, sometimes they are because there's no products being developed now, is not showing up here. But for example, so let's just see this Etsy seller template, which is the same template that I'm using here for this example. And whenever I open this product idea, I can see the price, I can see that it was added to my website. So I have this checkbox. I have the planner type. Is it like for goal settings? Is it for life? Is it for business? The SKU, I don't use that a lot, but some people use it, so that's why I added here. And if a product becomes a freebie, or it's a product that you just created to give you for free, you can just select as a freebie. So that makes it easier as well for you to find these freebies when you need them. But as you can see here, I have all the links, everything that is related to this product together. So this makes everything so much easier. So I'm not gonna open this toggle here because there are links that I don't want to share. But for example, I add here the link for the template, the Notion template link. I add the link for the Canva bonuses. I add the link to the template on my website that is ready to be marketed, to use the link to market. Every link that it's related to this product, I keep it here. And I keep these links on top on purpose because, as I said, sometimes it happens, someone just come to you on Etsy or they buy your template, they send you an email, and sometimes they are not very happy because they can't find the link. So you want to be quick and just give them the link, because there's nothing worse than you buying a digital product and you can't access that product and the seller just takes like forever to answer. So this is one of the reasons why I like to keep this very easy to access. And if you have a VA or someone that works for you, they can have access to these links as well. So here is brainstorming, when I'm creating the products and I start like brainstorming all the ideas, the checklist, and there's also all the Etsy's stuff, the description, the title, the tags, the image listings, everything's here. The bonuses that I created for this product, and the Facebook post that I was using Facebook to promote this product as well. I don't know if you already know this, but now you can add Notion templates to the Notion template gallery, the official website. And this is something that I started to do and I'm already getting the results. Today, I just went to my email and I just saw that I made a sale, and the sale came from Notion website. So this is a great way that you can get more traffic on your website or on your Etsy shop. I'm gonna start a new property here just to track this because I don't have a lot of products there yet, but I'm gonna show you. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. So I'm going to create a checkbox property, and I'll add Notion gallery. So I added the checkbox here, Notion gallery. So for every product that I add and they are accepted in the Notion template gallery, I'm just gonna check this box. So this product is already there, the Etsy seller is there, and the 12-week key is there. So what I can do, I can create a new view with a list, Notion template gallery. So I can see only the templates that are in the template gallery. You can also show or hide the template icon, and I will add a filter. So I just wanted the templates that have this checked. So this is a way that you can organize as well. So now I'm going to show you how you can organize your Notion templates, the Notion template links, the pages. So whenever you create a Notion template, instead of you just creating randomly any page and then you can't find the template, you can't find the master link, and if you sell templates, this is very helpful because of course you need to know exactly what link you are sharing with your customers, because if you delete them, the customers won't be able to access anymore. So this is where I keep all my Notion templates, and this has been extremely helpful. So I keep all the templates that I created, all the templates that I'm planning to sell, or if it's a freebie, if it's a personalized template, if it's a PLR template, everything's here. So here I can see the templates that are on my store. So these are the templates that are live. These are the templates that are freebies that I give to my customers for free, or I give to only paying customers, or I give it to my newsletter, are more exclusive freebies. These are my templates that I use for myself, and templates that are related to business, because I focus a lot on creators and business owners. I have also PLR templates, and I have personalized templates that I made for clients. So here I use a select property for categories, and if a template fits two different categories, I made a mistake when I was creating this database, because I selected, I used a select property, and it would be better if I used this one instead, if I used the multi-select, because you can select different ones. But because I already selected this, I also added a tag here, so I can tag the products that are business related. So it works. Here I keep all the templates that are under construction. So for example, this was a template that I recently finished. It was the latest template that I published. So whenever I finish, I like to have a link for a preview as well. If you guys are interested and you don't know how to do this, I can show you in another video, but it's very simple. So whenever I finish, I just drag this to the right category. So as you can see here, I'm using the business category. So it goes straight away to the tag biz. And it's also on my store. So sometimes I add templates to take pictures. This is basically, I make a copy. Whenever I finish a template, I make a copy of that template and I pretend I'm a user. I just go and use the template, I fill it out, the spaces, and I use that template, especially the main dashboard, to take pictures and use those pictures on my listing images to promote my template. So this is why I use this here. I use also this for recording videos, for recording tutorials, recording TikToks, Instagram, for promoting a specific product. Because sometimes people, when they are looking to buy a product, it's good for them to see a product that is being used instead of a template that is completely blank, just the template without any content. So this is one of the reasons why I do this. So how I organize my online programs, online courses, mini programs, and things like that, they are not templates. So I organize this on my online course kit. So I use this for all my programs. I have 3 mini courses. I have 2 mini courses actually, and 1 course that is bigger. So this was my first course, Simplifying Notion. This is where I teach how to use Notion. This is the Passive Income Academy, and this is the PLR template kit. I use this one here because they are more complex. I need to have a launch plan, I need to have a marketing plan, and whenever I create a new program, I like to create a whole brand for that specific program, the name, the ideas behind it, the public that I want to help with that product. So you can see they all look a little bit different, and I keep all the links, the quick links, very easy here. So all the links for the Academy, which is my signature course, and all the other links are also here. On this database, I organize all the content for each course. So here you can see the content for the Academy, the PLR templates, launch now. So every time that I launch a new module, so I added here the Canva slides. I created a template for them so they can follow a checklist, and whenever I finish everything, the slides, the recording, the editing and everything else, I'm ready to launch. So let me show you inside the Passive Income Academy planner. So here I have everything that is related to the Academy, the course outline, the platform that I use, inspiration behind it, the content overview, branding, the resources, marketing and launch, students, launch plan, goals, testimonials, reflection, next steps, everything that is related to this course is here. And this helps me a lot because on my mind I have like just so many ideas, and it's so good to just organize them in one digital space. So I really like it. So I also keep all the templates that I give to my students here. So this is a template that every student get because they can just track their own progress inside the course. If you are in your journey on creating passive income and creating more freedom in your life and in your business, you are gonna love the Freedom Club Tuesday. So this is my newsletter that I send 1 email every single Tuesday. This is where I share my best content. I share Notion templates for free. I share my best tips, my experience, what's going on behind the scenes, what I'm creating. And of course, special coupon codes for my email list. So I'll leave the link in the description. But I hope you liked this video. I hope this helps you to organize a system for you, and I hope this helps you, and it doesn't need to be complicated. So I'll leave in the description all the links for the templates that I've used, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!